Hey y'all, my name's Melissa. I just really wanted to introduce myself in this first video and explain to you the purpose of my channel. My hope is to inspire and to encourage you. And maybe you've thought about starting your own YouTube channel, but you haven't done it because you don't know where to start. And I've felt that same way. I didn't know where to start either. I was feeling like I was a unending, perpetual YouTube student, and I have watched countless videos, hours and hours of content. So I feel like I can help to guide you to some really good channels, and I'll give you several of those recommendations later in the video. So the other challenge that this channel is about is my monetization journey. So I'm excited to be here. I started really watching YouTube in 2020 when everything changed and we started streaming more and more. And a few years have passed and we no longer even have cable because we stream everything. And we found that YouTube is the second largest search engine next to Google, which is amazing because you can do anything on YouTube. You can look up anything that you want to learn, anything, and it's free content. People have a lot of good information that you can gain. So the more I watched, the more I became interested in how people are making YouTube channels. And I didn't know anything about editing. I don't know anything about graphics. I'm thinking, I don't know how do they do this? Like, how do they even get started? And so I found that you can learn these skills pretty quickly. And if you are wanting to invest some extra time that maybe you're watching videos with, you can use your time to learn the skill of how to do this. And so I thought, well, I'm a pretty quick learner. I think I can do this. And so I love being creative, but I never thought of myself as a creative person. So I was like, I can do this. I have learned the reason there are so many content creators on YouTube is because YouTube actually pays. And in a few minutes, I'll share with you a website that you can actually look up your favorite channel to see how many subscribers they bring in each month and how much money approximately they make per month. But first, I want to stress to you that you do not have to invest any money in starting a YouTube channel. You do not have to buy an expensive camera. You do not have to have expensive lighting or anything of that nature. I have not paid for any courses. I've only watched videos on YouTube which are free. And I've seen people in the comments on other channels to say how much money they've spent on a course and how disappointed they were. And even they've spent even thousands of dollars. My mind is blown. I'm thinking I would just never do that, honestly. And you don't have to do that. There's plenty of videos that are free. And one of the people that I started watching back in 2020, and I absolutely love him, is Greg Gottfried. And his channel, he has a lot of free content. Now, he does say that he has some courses. I've never purchased any of his courses, but he has a lot of free content on YouTube, and it's very, very good. So I would recommend him highly. I don't have to do any kind of shout out for these people, but I'm just trying to let you know because I have weeded through multiple channels and videos and different people, and so I just want to give you the different ones that have really helped me and inspired me and got right to the meat of what you want to know. So another one that I really enjoyed watching is Jade Beeson, and she's another content creator who um, talks about being committed and being consistent. And I don't know if I can put out a video a week, but I'm certainly going to try. And she actually encourages you to be consistent, because being consistent, YouTube knows what your audience is, and so they're able to push it out there more. So not only through people liking your videos, subscribing to the channel, they're able to push it out for the content that people want to hear. So the website that I'd like to share with you is called socialblade.com, and you can search any YouTube channel there, and you can see the average views and how much they're monetized every month. So if you're looking to make some side income with YouTube, it really is legit. That was one of the things that I was kind of skeptical of. I wasn't sure, is this something that's legit that maybe you could just do on the side for fun and make money at the same time? So the first thing that I did in this process was I downloaded Canva. It's a website that, or an app that you can download on your cell phone. You can also go on your desktop with it, and it has a free version and it has a pro version. Now, I've only used the free. I've not purchased the pro. I think I'm going to, but it's very easy for beginners. It's very user friendly. If you've never done anything with graphics in any way, um, it's 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 great, just so you know. And then the second thing that I downloaded an app was for my video editing, because I knew that I was going to need to be able to edit the videos. And you don't, from what I'm seeing now on YouTube, a lot of the content creators are saying that you don't necessarily have to edit your videos. So if that scares you, or you're bothered by it, just go for it without any video editing. But I use CapCut. There's a free version and a pro version for that as well. And so you actually have to do a video in order to apply these both of these applications. For purposes of the video that I've created here and that I'm going to be creating in the near future is only with Canva free. I started experimenting on my Facebook page with uploading some videos and sharing on Facebook. And then I realized, I've just got to get started. So here I am, totally out there. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm getting started. If you're enjoying this for any reason, please leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I hope this has been helpful in some way, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Don't forget, help me on my channel and on my journey for monetization.